Okay, so within this section, I wanted to talk a little bit about image optimization. And what I mean by that is the images that you upload to your client's website, you want to make sure that it is compressed and resized. And this way, the page will load so much quicker. This sends positive signals to Google that it's a well-optimized page and it'll get served up more often. So here's an example. I've got an image. I'm just downloading it to my hard drive here. I just want to quickly show you the current size, as in megabytes, and the dimensions prior to compression. The tool of choice that I recommend to all of my clients who want to do this work themselves is Squoosh. So when you log into Squoosh, all you do is upload your image and it will immediately compress the file, and then you can resize it if you want. It's totally optional. And so with this image here, I have significantly saved file storage space. So the file is smaller, it's compressed and resized. Next, I want to give it a name. Then I can upload it to WordPress within the media library. And the last thing I want to do is go down here and add an alt tag, so the alternative text. And again, all of this is using keywords. Your call to action for this section is to log into your client's website, make sure that all of the images have been compressed and resized. And so with that, I will leave you to it, and I'll see you within the next module all about working with clients and reporting.